Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. I bring back episode 21 of racing every single track in every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. Once again, we are going back to Canada in Lake Louise, and we're going to be doing the last reverse track. If I'm not mistaken, it's the long track reverse. Other than that, that's the intro. We're going to hop right in. As we take a seat into our cockpit, trying to make the process quicker having all the cameras ready on standby. So we're going to dive right into this race. This is the last time we'll be taking the FL5 Civic Type R in this series on Lake Louise, because this is the last and final episode of the Canadian Rockies. Long track, reverse, hitting it at night, as it's my favorite time of day. Isn't that funny? Favorite time of day being night? I'm kidding. Anyway, we're going to dive right in. I'm probably a little bit better at driving than I am at jokes. Anyway, let's get into it. So as always, we've been starting P8, because that seems to be where easy beginner level is, because I keep running into the daggum walls. Anyway, get right behind the Tomasio. We got some corners coming. Got to get around these corners here. And my goal is to not crash, which we've not really succeeded too well, and to not hit other cars, which I'm trying to do a lot better at. Because hitting walls slows you down and wrecks your car, and hitting people gives you penalties. Not in what we're doing here, but in normal other tracks, other races. It also slows you down. Let's just put it that way. Not to blow up the engine, come on. Now we did just recently get our oil changed, and bam, there goes the wall. Clean hit on that wall there. Now, can't ever forget to do that oil change. I know it's a video game, but Gran Turismo takes it to that level. Because, I mean, you're racking up miles. I've got almost 500 miles on this Civic Type R as I just obliterate the Nissan Z. And that wall. And my car. Let's get back in this. Come on. We gotta keep this going. Now, I'm going to try and continue to mention it more and more, because I've not gotten any progress yet. And anybody in the comments, tag Gran Turismo, tell them we need a Porsche 944. I don't care which one you pick. Not the 924, not the 928, the 944. Because I would love to make a video on that and not run into a wall. Okay, I wasn't near as hard. But I'd love to make a video on it, because I've got one sitting in the garage and that I have to work on building. Bought it a few months ago, back in July, and for about a month it's been stagnant because we've invested a lot of time into this setup right here and getting better at Gran Turismo. Over the last 30 some odd days, I've put 85 hours into this. And we're going to continue to keep putting hours in. Not minutes, not seconds, hours. Eventually we'll be at like a month worth of driving. I mean, we've got to get good, we've got to get great, we've got to continue to get better. Doesn't matter what track, what tire compound, what car. And that's why I'm doing this series. Plus it's also great content to watch me fail and try something different. Because everybody's always used to sticking into their comfort zone, staying where they're used to be. But the fun happens when you go outside of that comfort zone a little bit. Like, I am awful at this, as you can tell. like very bad. And I'm still enjoying it. I'm having a lot of fun, even though I hate doing that every 2 seconds. And it's awful to watch, I know. It's even cooler when I stick a slide, when I get it proper. But once again, it's front wheel drive. I can't get a full drift out of this thing. And we're about to finish up lap 2. And this ends episode 21 of racing every single track and every single car in Gran Turismo 7. So there it is right there. We redline it right at the finish line. So that's awesome. Nice little finish there. There it is for you. Now that is the last time we're going to have to see Canada for a little while. Other than that, I'll see y'all on the next video.